was a mamma aquaba eba gana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe with the notification so that anytime videos of this nature upload it usamekabi I'm also washe. Now let's go into the story. Mami open Ellen Amada kude ubuao. Mami nuni din gaza. In fact, grow to nje din. Yeah, eba no MPP mo say in selecting my back minu bia mo ni di pa Ellen din be. Na Ellen abema Joyce Bawa reply. Apparently, Joyce Bawa akwa a greenbook projects are anywhere illusions no. Now they jama or they are post you can say social media no so. I can say sia na ekasa no juma Nibra penny no Mahama His Excellency no aye. And he says I know we deceive you grassroots for. And he say or post the new year no. And I bet Tino can say fact check. And the fact check ni mo who said they be ready cause I say. Seven who say ready cause I say mo kwan there. Quickly so revert. It's how revert in which say akwa delete. But what forget to say Screenshot Association of Ghana. Screenshot Association of Ghana SAG for there. Oposi adie every 10 seconds umpo obiacha screen record screenshot eto see home. And to delete you when delete you agenda no ebe agenda. And to go bebre e was a screenshot Ellen Amada ko aba be yi anu aba yi Joyce Bawa no. But you can't blame her. You can't blame her. You see a presidential staffer, yes sir. Presidential staffer, senior presidential staffer, family and friends. Jama, baby anibra penny kobiano, or no so kobi. The bia kobiano, no so kobi. He said that my sama mean ochen Minister of Foreign Affairs umbo. Because baby papa no kobiako. Se papa no koko GA honorary degree for South Korea or Dinichi. Or Canada or Dinichi. Or US or Dinichi. Ni juma kradi, ye hu ne oye bat. Ni de na say akwentu nkwa. Who am I? Who ko gaze here? Ka be chief. Me so a me ni e kan say lawyers ka. Enti yen ko tie Ellen ni argument. Akram. Ebusion for still na ye twa studio contributions no so. And also donations no so. For some time now donation be nyamba we are still around 12,000 Ghana cedis. 13,000 more to go. By GDC, Mbeboye, Ama, drew a year 25,000 so that we can bring this beautiful vision to pass.
Okay, we see. If I say 100,000, next say bank money, make 100,000 the group table so that's a
Debbie.
I don't know, but it will be account amount.
Yeah.
If any loan account, let's connect them.
Yeah.
Why they computer no they create money. It has given you power. Until any time they write a check, I will follow within that 100,000. They will hand the check.
But I don't feel say we will be spending more money, printing more money.
No. In a year,
creating more cost.
In a year as a budget. Or buying, you are the bigger spender in every economy. Yeah. If you don't pump in money, the economy will never run.
But we've seen the recent repercussion of
which one?
Omupiesca to sustain
W. What is the end result? You want to control inflation. And to control inflation, you say inflation is 0.5%. Now say second kun. Now in Bakwan will be a store no. Yentonadia, there will be a factory Yentonadia. A better now what about in the form of taxation. Because you're tired, now we have that.
To proper solution,
proper solution say they should release money and pay contractors who have done their work because they borrowed money from bank to do the job.
Yeah.
And how would the bank get their money and let it on to you?
Maybe I mean so many say Oka say you don't buy into it. Say government says Uniska.
No, Uniska no one was car. Maybe I told you Uniska. She said once the CSA bank 44 billion.
Yeah.
44 billion. Okobusa e be a paperwork. So the me no. Na some assess can you create CSA bank the canon. Why ni bitia?
Yeah, ni bitia.
Bitia na kwa beso.
Taxes.
Sa na say wo adwuma nkoso we don nyata free wo. Because yeah, you tell okay abeto aduane. Oto aduane a obetua VAT. You say masa money must circulate in every economy. That is why me some the president now. Akola bi wo Ghana bia so so betua neka.
Yes, okay.
Do you know why? Because you need to stimulate the economy to grow. Abrochire they tell you tia omomunya adwuma ka. You tia enkwalaka no. Let's say this kind of omuni ndomudi you. And that's what say nipa lazy you. No, they know said every point in time no. Nipa nyina timi nya adwuma anye. It's omuni adwuma and still they have to eat. Said that bia omo enkoso trouble too much e wo man so abana fato no say omuni adwuma no mo emre no e say me so masene. It's omo says kana on woje ye na owura bia ba no waje one bottle na one no we tax e wo ho. Or just can no supermarket na acquire groceries no what on so supermarket no edman so that they'll get more money to pay the staff no ma fa.
So that's a plan for circulation of.
Yes, because every economy also what Pentecost da
Debbie
okay what Pentecost young so media dance na mo media dance mo je microphone na say and you mo nani na radio say na do ye den e ho da sabreya ketrema double dream na moja di mu afusani na je se onyame ayi mebi winim moja na edi mu afusani no so moja na edi mu afusani obogu every human being bia there should be a blood circulating in you and money is a form of blood in an economy. So economy be a sika and circulating economy no is dead. The reason Africa we are poor and continue to be poor next go pon boy here for nemum one way I the for nemum academy we don't have innovative ideas and then we kill innovators. Why we are innovator no the rest will come and attack you. One says when we say Africa so be yes Kenya komu fo nyina no mani sound ada so mo town and now say aban no kra town because abani mu say we sikari no ba be powerful which one be tu no eti e kwa so be gu adwuma no be sell wo bibia they come after you. That is Africa. But when Minia Salam Kasano he spoke about the Russian influence say omo industry purposefully sana bruso mo running they decided to help people to make it. Dr. Goku we're innovator. Obi say Kosa Kwame Despite or innovator. Obi say Ibrahim Muhammad or innovator. These people no we are the only shaman obi pie. What you should do is to empower them and make them more powerful financially.
But by giving them money and not creating industries, don't you think, sir?
No. When you give a quote, sika, but what paying one be
okay.
Because on you'll be a next kind of do on the Numuniano. Where you'll be you want to create jobs for people. And you know, Russia, no be angel this, angel that, angel that. That is him. What I say, it's how you have to empower them, enrich them, give them incentives, give them everything that they need. For say Ibrahim, such a person, forget about this political whatever. Give him all the needed resources because the man will be able to make us all cobs or we and this and MPP and for you. Or just say, or some despite. Okay, in the media, you craft or UTV neighbor, Peace FM. What to me who say a BNDC, a BMPP, and no much so. All for man, well, that's our MPP. So far as you have, was I would to a mini patch, you was one demonstrative, but I know party be already. Odom. Koku chain and as a manager now for Wajumano. Ono business masa now was about party ben now. Business might be also interesting. We're interested.
Okay.
Every businessman want to increase his wealth. So and create jobs and opportunities for other people. Eti minia or mawi yes say if some politics you fan ton chain. Then let's focus and come together as one people and build. We say hospitals are yes. Do baby. SAB many panel more bottom one. Baby. What kasa kura betumato sa agenda 111 ya no mapanyi otwamu ACC ese kaban na aban na awie ni nyina
so obeto aso
exactly we don't need to waste time till uni akufo ado ye 70% na also be 30% na aka no mumere na maye but what you say e ba sa akwa na akwa commission e do di ai den aboho but what you say I didn't say we live in a room next say we a politician, you are an NDC, you are an MPP. We make a campaign. We could not be a accident. And now we do now be a accident. Now I see Russian could the nearby hospital.
Pure FM 90.
That's a baby a walk accident. I just 111 you can easily be hurt. Before now we used to say more resources to us. Say next time easily. And Sunday be a maso do babia Kolebu and I say 37 and I say Kumasi
improve healthcare.
What I say? It's how district offices hospitals very very important for everybody. Okay? Man, you know who say Omo test and bottom one kwan here house to know. It won't find one yet because all the Kumasa now 10 cry. I got 2 kwamu honoma. I said because 2 and I really got bored and then now I see a rational course what nice it's Kumasi going to be to do aba. Now 100 miles away. But there was survival. Yeah. But not could be 5 kilometers away no which we work nearby the district hospital. Ama sa facilities na e wo Kumasi na bi wo honoma. Am show.
Interesting point now we reason but say no Ofili say menim so we hu a greenhousing project no and your views on it.
Me hu on ba be there.
It's on take
maintain crime gas material.
Did you see a commissioning of greenhousing project housing unit over 1,000 housing units are president
over 69,000.
Bro sir.
Oh say
I know I mean MC ne kasa no say first phase no omo hwe enim say by next year there na you first phase no and the first phase is supposed to be 200 units.
Okay.
And now the baby
many problem. Say they didn't swallow Ashanti region. Many problem because me Kumasi ni haya ne wo me feel na hana masino me nti say development be bahano ma hemede o me many problem if government is going to do no be committed now why many problem because basa say the baby atena na net and be ma hustle e develop na say bi o be business bi o no ma also benya on sa no bibia kwa no I support it 100%. Many problem okra. So if they are going to do it means say omo be dia
president abeka
so one day you say obeka sword obeye contractor no ahukaka na ko site no ko ye adwuma afo be ye adwuma no let's come back
with this now we are being told say funding is already secured.
Yaka ache
I don't you be any say
the thing it's not about they cannot do it too. They can do even 10 times of that. Because when the president says and I'm saying see a dime makumako 100,000 within 1 year make me see. Anytime to me see because when I'm going through scan and now more economists now musu and me mention no be momo de na musim this can be kuma be inflation it is can sum be kuma inflation aba what I say
be kuma inflation aba
because some timi this can gum na se betuma sisi adan be bebre aba bebenya aba bi de omu tiato na e betumi atwea workers car ato materials e de aya inflation be bi because come say we see dan na obeto cement obeto iron rods obeto windows obeto to they might be the cover down when you are buying them somebody is producing them and it's creating jobs. So that's it.
Say Crampo and no sa project we come say now here can say best sourcing locally. If you see e be boakram economy.
So about sourcing locally. Na say betimi SB 200,000 of that unit. Solve a problem. Nipa be be atena.
True.
It was yes animal na beton locally no. You are helping the local
economy.
Yeah. It be create jobs, be create work. So Scano it's Bank of Ghana how no ma yes that's why condition go and I bomb keke
it will problem is again is Canada there na ye must can impie
so because you say sikani pia be creating inflation catch because so the economy so go so ni biem
again now
because it
it's a principle
it become more of book
You don't believe in that type of economics?
No, the Omaka and a book no macatro. But reality is say, baby, I'm Tina, UK for so many years. Matina Republic of Ireland. Ireland, not any penny crooning. Because when you move aqua American, population was about 2 million. So they realized from 2000, realized no, they have to attract people. Normally, go any penny crooning meeting group. It's your mobile. Now, but what? We are Irish citizenship. One can out to move 6 months, and you're now, but you have a Irish citizen. To more years, migrants will be moving. You say, Munipa. It's a neighbor, it's almost dying housing. So they were building deliberately. It's a Islander. I could because of my building deliberate. It's your economy be able to you should be deliberate about whatever you are doing. So you invest. Namasa, say Kumase Aquaya. Minias and so MP, Kakra, a minister, road minister Kakrabi within a few, a year no Bantuma, Quabre.
Yeah.
So was an upbridging, yeah. Then put him in coffee. But obey Nana come on. It's other areas a walk Kumasianum, near the castle more, yeah, a little Mujumwe, Neska Corona. Pump the money. Contractor beer who say, me with me certificate, 2 months, 3 months, I'll be paid. Connect this kind of good them the idea. They will reinvest in other projects. Also, Marapoma, Tama, Abuja, and Casano, I didn't know where it's we don't know where it's no.
Scasem.
What's Bazana? Wow, no Krenos, so we really pay him. I can't hear.
If you release this Canada,
I suddenly pay them, the Connector will do the job.
But do you feel it's deliberate?
Marapoma, when he was doing this Kumasi Accra route, Franco Honomono. Abani ba he say omo hoto no kakra say omo twanom investigations near that day. Omo ya hofo ni nyina sorry ti I say
nyempene
omo mpena omo chire omo kwa adwuma omo committee omo pre.
Yeah.
Abani no mkubusa konde say I've not been paid. Holmana President Mahama am I releases kademano. So 78 million baby.
Okay.
I don't know whether it was dollars or it was cedis. Me carry the exact amount. But I remember saying it was 78 million B. I was going to man within a short time. Now, for us to take car rules. Now, for a baby, after my full flu. Contracted beer or yet, you may be almost say, I mean, it's Biano. We're raising a certificate in Pianica.
But do you feel say government Abrano Peso Diomuntiano will keep you and I say a
management of resources?
Of course, in terms of
management of resources. So what you now and I say you release the money. Let's come because it's can one need what try to go flower border so lumi and I must see the safer and I saw quite lubu and I must see the safer idea grow on. Baba Kumasi Anoma who say funny idea. We pay cities. Cities in so buying the control. So I buy telling you say me do this can maintain here.
No, but of course, because cash why mumu crap. So you don't just push your money.
You are not spending. You are investing. And when you are investing, you are not wasting money. That's the difference.
But they will have to scale their return of investment within a time frame.
Scale of investment, return on investment. You know, how do you get the return if you don't invest? And then how do you?
But you agree, said there are certain investment. It be outright. It be within a certain timeline. It has to align with.
Control. Okay, say a can now be the contractor. The Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
All the contractors. Once I 200, and now do be way 2 million, way 3 million, way 4 million. What can you know about make a big cake? What can you know about 7 billion? Let Bank of Ghana lend you that 7 billion. And then it's so many contractors. My Bank of Ghana move and do cut. Won't the Bank of Ghana for cut. So what I say now, this white says Canada pure. Can I contractors not release you? Because remember, said they have employees under them. They have to pay them, and when they pay them, they're going to deduct what they call PAYE. Take income tax a few kind of job. No, they're two. Net. No, they're two. And I'm back to the government. So that's kind of who releasing now. The latest business air coso. Munuma mo yen koso at the same time no so no also nya taxes free omo ena workers na omo twa omo kan omo ni agye to so mayiro mo eye adwuma scan wo gbia no de bi ko dwaso akoto to ade o to ade no dum de waye obeto ade no obeto atata vat no so e ba ho e ba ho ti size can now ban wo release am contractor no it will come back to you.
Don't you think say you call a model